The toy shop glows with inviting light, capturing young Hussein's complete attention. His eyes reflect pure longing. Api, ye jahaz mera khwab hai. Mirha, noticing his intense desire, looks at Hussein. She responds with tender reassurance. Inshallah, ek din tumhain zarur milega. Hussein stares at the airplane, hope flickering in his wide eyes. Mirha sits on her bed as dawn paints the room with streaks of light. The zipper of her school bag rasps, breaking the morning calm as she readies for the day. Her brow furrows in concentration as she counts her lunch money with meticulous care. A flicker of satisfaction crosses her face as she hides the small sum in a secret box. Mera khana thora ho jayega. Lekin Hussein ka khwab pura hoga, Mirha whispers, a vow echoing in the quiet room. Bathed in sunlight, the dining room buzzes with the gentle hum of a family gathering for lunch. The mother watches Mirha, her concern growing as she sees Mirha only eat a single roti. The mother's face tightens with worry. She asks, Beta, tabiat tothi kai? Mirha responds softly, Yes, mother, I am fine, just not very hungry.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.